Hello there. Today in this video I will teach you how you can download Brawl Stars on your Windows PC. So first we need to open a browser. So you can choose your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. And after that we need to search BlueStacks 5. So this is the result. And after that we need to select the first result. So as you can see this, select the first result and then tap download BlueStack option. So we need to first download BlueStacks. So let's download BlueStacks. So let's check. So as you can see, this is BlueStacks. Let's open BlueStacks. So yeah, we have downloaded BlueStacks. So now we need to install BlueStacks in our computer. Double click on it and this message will pop up. Let's close. Okay, now we just need to press yes. So as you can see, my BlueStacks is already installed, so it's asking me to update. But in your case, it will ask you to install. So I'm just updating BlueStacks for the video. Let's wait for some minutes. So my BlueStacks updating is completed, and after you install BlueStacks on your Windows PC, this will be the logo. Just double click on it and the BlueStack will run. So wait for a bit. As you can see, it's loading. Now if you open BlueStacks for the first time, you will ask to enter your email ID. So you just complete it, type your email ID as you type on your regular Android device, and then you will be able to access the Play Store. So while and after entering your email ID, then on the Play Store option, search Brawl Stars, and after pressing enter, as you can see, this is Brawl Star. We need to install now we need to type the install one. So please complete account setup. So skip. All right, so as you can see, Brawl Star is installing. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you have got the idea how you can install or download Brawl Stars on your PC. So after the installation process completes, we can play Brawl Star from our BlueStacks. So yeah, this is technically playing on your PC. So hope this video helpful. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.